Let's install Python on your computer. First, open up your browser of choice. Go to python.org. Click Downloads. From the Downloads menu, you should see the latest versions of Python and all of the previous releases available to you on the website. For our purposes, we're going to be downloading version 3.11 of Python. To see this more clearly, you can click on 3.11.9. Then we will click the Windows installer since I'm installing on a Windows device. And once that download pops up, we can click it. Now we can install by clicking Install Now. You may have to allow the device to be able to make changes based on this installation. And the installation may take a few moments or a few minutes to complete. Once the installation is complete and it says setup was successful, go ahead and close the window. You now have Python installed on your system.